Welcome to Eugene Domingo Acting 101 Lessons. Ang sitwasyon is, mamimili ang ating bisitang banyaga sa isang Pilipina ng kanyang tindang bibingka. Yan. Okay. Action! Bibingka! Bibingka kayo dyan! Bibingka!
Manang! Pabili po na bibingka nyo?
Bibingka? Hindi ako nagtitinta ng bibingka. Bibingka?
Pabili po ng bibingka nyo?
Hindi ako manang. Grabe naman to.
Ay, sorry po. Piliping marikid may bibingka ka ba?
Meron po, eto, mainit-init na bibingka, bagong luto.
Gusto ko yan.
Ito, murang-mura lang to.
Walang ako dalang pera.
Anong dala mo? Baka pwede mag-exchange na lang tayo.
May dala akong saging?
Anong klaseng saging?
Di yung paborito mo. Gusto mo makita?
Oo ba? Yung saging mo? Gusto ko makita. Kung gusto mong kainin itong bagong lutong bibingka, dahil mabubulok to, kailangan ko na makipagpalit sa'yo.
Ito na ang paborito mong saging. Ikaw na ang kumuha.
Ako ang kukuha ng saging?
Busa.
Andito ang saging?
Busa.
Ito ang saging?
Busa.
Ano yung saging? Akin na itong
Careful! Yes!
Totoo nga! Ito nga ang paborito kong saging. At saka tatlo.
Yes.
Hindi ako mauubusan. Ito na ang aking bibingka.
Okay, thank you very much. Salamat!
Walang anuman. Thank you, ma. Very good. Another game. We'll see how well we know each other. Our goal is to meet in the middle, and we can only do that if we answer the same answer.
Danilo's favorite fruit.
Mangga! Yay!
Eugene's favorite fruit.
Saging! Same. Saging, okay.
How do you call Miss Eugene?
Love!
Anong tawag ni Miss Eugene kay Danilo?
Be!
Aside from pizza and pasta, what is Danilo's favorite food?
Kebab!
Favorite food of Eugene in Italy?
Porcini!
Yes, porcini, right.
When we reach the end, we will kiss.
Favorite food that Miss Eugene cooks for you?
Double! Yay!
Lastly is the first dish that Sir Danilo cooked for Miss Eugene.
Alaya! Yay! With that, Danilo and I will prepare this special dish that we were able to invent, adobo, alio olio, together.
Yay!
Yay! Kapit na yung toyo, suka, bawang, and everything. Mas prituin lang naman natin yan hanggang sa pwede na siyang pang floss, yung hiwa-hiwalay. Adobo flakes. Ganon. Adobo, alio, olio. Adobo ni Uge. Alio, olio ni Danilo. Valentine's episode! Filipino and Italian. Merge. Ito na ang adobo, alio, olio.
Sarap. Ito, you want to say?
Buono?
Yeah, buono.
Buono.
Nasabi mo na ba?
Hindi pa, pero sasabihin ko na. Welcome to the Eugene Domingo Channel!
Yay!
Valentine's month ngayon. It's the love month. Eh, sino pa ba yung pwede kong mahila ng hindi magre-reklamo? Siyempre, dapat yung asawa ko.
My name is Danilo. I'm 35 years old and I'm from Italy. And joker, I'm a little bit older. I'm 37. I am the happy husband of this beautiful.
Oy, ang ganda nun. And I am the content wife. Content is contenta in Italian is the same as happy. Wife of Danilo Bottoni. So we got married last year in July, but we started flirting 2016. So, kung gusto nyong malaman yung detalyadong storya ng love life namin, ay naunahan na po ako ng ibang channel. Andyan po yung link ng mga nag-interview sa akin. So, parang wala na akong ma-share dun sa love life namin, kundi we met 2016. We started talking and having a long-distance relationship.
I think we started to talk to each other in 2015.
Usually, mas alam pala niya yung petsa. 2015 kami nagkita at nagtsikahan. 2016, we got married in the Muslim community because
I'm Muslim. So I cannot have a relationship with a girl if we are not husband and wife.
yes. So nagulat ako nung naglalandian kami sa Skype. Bigla niyang sinabi sa akin na, I'm asking you to marry me. Is that what you asked, Be?
I asked you, would you like to marry me?
So talagang gulat na gulat ako kasi syempre dahil long distance relationship yun. Imagine niyo, hinihintay ko talaga yung 1 a.m. para magtsikahan kami every time. 6 hours or 7 hours difference.
Yeah.
Pag hinihintay ko siyang magising, tulog na ako. Tagal naman, ang hirap naman itong LDR na ito, antok na ako. Pero pag inon ko na yung Skype, tapos nandun na siya, ay parang 7 a.m. lang sa akin. Yung ganyan, yung kaya ko to, hindi ako puyat. Ganon. Bigla akong nagising nung sinabi niya, will you marry me? Sabi ko, are you sure? So nagulat naman ako. Of course, I said yes. But before anything else, before I go to Italy, please make a video expressing your intention to marry me to my friends, to my family. He did it.
I did, yes.
What made you decide to marry me? Even if there's a long distance and culture difference.
Because, as you know, we spent 2 beautiful days together in Orvieto. And I was really happy. I realized that I didn't want to miss what I experienced that. So I realized I was in love with you. And so I asked you to marry. It's a bit embarrassing.
No, it's okay. It's very emotional. What did you see in me, like physically, that attracted you and made you decide that she's the girl I want to marry?
Color of your skin and your beautiful eyes, but most of all, your
You can say my sexy body. You don't have to say my. Let's give advice to couples that are trying to maintain their love in a long distance relationship manner. Because it's not easy, ah.
it's not easy.
Yes.
You want that your partner can feel your love anytime, every day, and try always to have fun together.
Right. We never had like a call that we did not enjoy. We always enjoyed our call because we talk about many stuff, films, family, our past experiences. We played together, we sang together sa screen.
And we share picture and video all day
Yes.
through all our days to show to each other.
Right. Diba? Buti na lang may ganun. Pwede na tayong mag-share ng mga videos, diba? But what's important is the communication and, like you said, the commitment and the creativity. Puro letter C. is there. The effort is there. Kasi pag pinabayaan mo, hindi mo inalagaan or hindi kayo nakahanap ng ways to nurture your relationship, kahit long distance yan, magfe-fade. To help us remember what happened to us for the past almost 8?
8, not almost 8.
8. I am going to show you some items and you tell me what do you remember with these items. This one.
Oh, this is our first meeting in person in Oviedo.
Hindi talaga yun first meeting in person. Ang first meeting talaga namin sa Udine Film Festival. After namin usap sa Skype for many weekends, I decided to go back to Italy to meet him out of the festival. Kailangan maganda ako, kailangan kaakit-akit. So, sinigurado ko talaga na plunging ang mga suot ko, ganyan. Paglabas ko ng station, ng train station, sabi niya, Eugene, sa pagtingin ko ganun, So, hindi siya drawing, dumating siya. That was only 2 days, but I was able to meet his family. We went around Orvieto. It was so romantic. It was like something that came out of a fairy tale. And all in all, it was really like a dream. But it was only for 2 days. What about this?
This is my first gift to you. You
Yeah.
broke your glasses.
I lost my
Yeah.
my
So,
reading glasses. You surprised me with this. Ito yun. So, nagulat ako, di ba? Parang napaka-thoughtful naman ito. Kasi nahihirapan nga ako magbasa. Hindi ko na makita yung reading glasses ko. So, tapos sakto pa, ganyan. Tapos ang cute pa, di ba? Parang pambata. Nasira na, nawala na yung Tinatabi ko pa rin kasi this is his first gift to me. Tsaka ang cute. Ganito niya ako tignan, di ba? Red to polka dots. Ganda. What about this one? What is the importance of this one?
What is this one? Wow, it's a handwritten letter. Huh? 2017.
We're already married.
Oh, this is a love letter.
Yeah. This is my first visit to Italy na we're already married and I'm already staying in his apartment. Very short lang lagi. Yung punta ko sa Italy, laging 2 weeks lang, ganyan. Kasi I need to work. I need to go back to the Philippines. Every day, you're so happy. You're so... you enjoy each other's company. Parang ang bilis ng oras. Parang kulang ang oras. Tapos tuwing dadating yung time na uuwi na bukas, para ako natotrauma, yung ganon. Kasi yung feeling na maghihiwalay na naman, tapos matagal na naman, tapos hindi na naman kayo magkasama, hindi na naman kayo sabay matulog, kumain. Ang hirap-hirap. Tapos, nabasa ko tong sulat niya, binigay niya sa akin. Siyempre nakakaiyak kasi parang it's his expression of how he really loves me and the company that we share. Very romantic, me. Thank
Yes.
you.
And this is one of the nice thing about long-term relationship, long-distance relationship, to have this kind of stuff. That
Yeah.
when you're together, you don't do that.
Right.
So,
Ay, maganda yun Tama. Sometimes you take for granted na nandyan lang naman siya. Kasama ko naman araw-araw. So, bakit kailangan magpaka-romantic pa? So, during that time...
we express the same things in other ways.
In other ways. But this one, writing, handwritten love letter when I was about to return to the Philippines. So, dala-dala ko siya. Siyempre, mugto na naman yung mata ko sa... Tuwing maghihiwalay kami dati, tapos hahatid niya ako sa airport, yung iyak ko malala, yung... ganun, yung... Nagkaganon ng mga... Yung boarding pass. Tsaka yung nagpapacheck ng gamit, tapos nakikita ko siya. Kulang na lang sabihin ng mga nag-check talagang, kaya mo ba? Iyak na iyak ako, tapos nagsulat pa ng ganito, hanggang aeroplano. Bakit kailangan maghiwalay? Ganon.
This is a picture of our first wedding.
Our first wedding, na nagulat ako kasi, ganito pala. Nakaupo lang kami, tapos may magbabasa ng, because it was in Italian, basta meron lang milk at saka dates. Tapos nagpalitan kami ng pag-inom ng milk at saka pagkain ng dates. Very short. It's like maybe wala pang 5 minutes, no?
Something like this.
And then what did you say in the expression?
Would you accept me as your husband? Something like this.
Would you accept me as your husband? And then the girl, the wife, has nothing to say but yes.
You say accept.
I accept. Ganun lang. Tapos, walang kiss. Bawal mag-kiss. No? No kiss. Imagine. Pigil na pigil ako sa kiss. So, there.
Because it's very private.
It's very private. And this one,
We are already together. I don't know.
be, of course, hindi niya maalala. That's our honeymoon.
Honeymoon?
Tingnan mo, babe, iba na yung itsura ko. Achieve na yung itsura ko. So, this is our honeymoon in the hotel.
Okay.
Yeah, in the morning. What about this one?
Oh, this is my very first musical I watched because of her. I didn't know anything about musicals before.
Kasi si Danilo,
Opera lover.
opera lover siya. Siyempre, alam naman sa Italy, doon talaga nagsimula ang mga opera. So, he's really exposed to opera. Expert siya sa opera. Wala siyang idea about musicals. Buti na lang tama yung napili kong musical. Hindi ako napahiya. The first musical I brought you,
Still my favorite.
yeah, up to this day,
The Phantom of the Opera.
The Phantom of the Opera. Sobrang tuwang-tuwa siya nung napanood niya. Sabi niya, wow, it's really amazing. It's really awesome. This one,
This is my call card
yeah.
of my last job.
Si Danilo is a consultant in a software company.
I was.
He was a consultant in a software company. So, ang techie niya. So, lahat ng pangangailangan ko, yung, please solve this. Why can't I open this? How can I send this? Please answer this. Can you please, is it possible? Please download. Tapos, syempre, dahil mahal ko siya, pati yung mga calling card niya, tinatabi ko, ganyan. Tapos, nag-retire na siya before the pandemic.
2019.
2019. Kasi pina-retire ko na siya kasi sabi ko, napapagod na ako kakabalik dito sa Italy. Balik. Naubos na yung iron ko. Come to the Philippines already. Come, please. He retired. He was so happy to do that. And then when he went home here with me, pandemic happened. Magkasama na kami. Imagine kung pandemic, tas hindi kami magkasama. Ano na? Paano na? 2 years yung na may walay, hindi ko kaya. This one.
Oh, this is very, very private, babe. This is a calendar I give to you.
Yeah.
But we were not together yet.
Since 2017, gumagawa kami ng calendar namin. Ito yung unang calendar na binigay niya sa akin. So, nung binigay niya sa akin itong kalendaryong to, medyo nagdalawang isip ako. Sabi ko, matino ba itong lalaking to? Bakit ganito yung mga pinapadala niyang mga picture ng kalendaryo? Parang, teka, sandali. Bakit ganyan? Wala na siyang tinago. Pero syempre, nanaig sa akin yung gusto ko siya talaga. Grabe to, oh.
It was like a sexy calendar.
It's a sexy Danilo calendar. So, baon ko to sa Pilipinas nung hindi pa kami magkasama. Para grabe. Beo? Yes. So, Be,
Yes.
this one, I really need to keep it. In the event that you do not behave and you do something not correct, I will expose this.
Oh my god. I'm scared.
Be careful. Don't slip it.
Sorry for you. This is your husband.
Hindi ko to maipapakita sa inyo.
You can even cannot describe. So,
But it's so cute. It's so cute. I can really. Oh, it's so cute. I don't
it's a
know.
crazy picture. Really
Yeah.
crazy picture. Crazy picture and very private.
Nilagyan niya ng salamin eh. That summarizes something about our relationship. We really like to enjoy things together, no be?
Yes.
That's what I like about you. What I appreciate about you is that you have the right balance of being crazy, being serious, being a teacher, being a playmate, being a really, really good friend. If you are a friend of Danilo, you're in really very good hands. Parang a friend that will not leave you no matter what. He's like that.
Thank you.
And yes, you are. A very balanced person. He knows how to, for me, to balance me, my thoughts, because sometimes I'm super dramatic or baka hindi sometimes, baka lagi. Nabe, am I dramatic?
Sometimes. Yes, sometimes.
And then he will say to me, kalma, tranquila. He would say like that. So every day I thank God that what I prayed for, even if I did not say, these qualities I want to find in a man, I just said, Lord, ikaw nang bahala sa puso ko. Kung sino makapagpapasaya, anong makapagpapasaya, ikaw na yun. I think the best gift I have received as far as asking the Lord to take care of my heart is by sending this man to me. I love you, babe.
I love you more.
Hey.
You're really a super wife. You're thoughtful. I feel safe with you. I love you. I like you very much.
Naging emotional.
Because of the sibuyas.
Where this?
This is sibuyas.
No, this na sibuyas. Ba't ako maglalagay ng sibuyas sa gitna? After 8 years, no, it's me. I'm really, sometimes I think I don't deserve this kind of man. So gentle. But you're really the priority in my life.
You're in mine.
Patayin niyo nga yung ilaw.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.